What is SIDS, or Small Island Developing States? SIDS are a special grouping of countries with similar vulnerabilities and difficulties when tackling serious issues such as the environment and development. There are 52 SIDS, 38 are UN member states, and 14 are non-members, territories and associate members of UN regional commissions. SIDS countries are located in 3 geographical regions: Caribbean, Pacific, and Atlantic, Indian Ocean, Mediterranean, and South China Sea, or AIMS. Why was SIDS formed? SIDS was established and adopted at the 1992 UN Conference on Environment and Development in Rio. SIDS struggled the most with sustainable development issues, unlike the rest of the world, due to their isolation, size, small resource base, and vulnerability to climate change. Where will SIDS meet? In Samoa. From the 28th of August to the 4th of September 2014, Samoa will host the 3rd International Conference on SIDS at the Tuanaimato Complex. For more information, visit our website at www.sidssamoa2014.ws or follow us on Facebook at facebook.com/SamoaSIDS or call us on 685-248-27.